Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday morning, the 21st of February, 2023, and just take a look at the news. We just had flash services come out at 9:45 a.m. It was 10 minutes ago, and yeah, just following on from President's Day yesterday when the stock market was closed, we now seem to be having some directional movement, and it is to the downside. So if we look at the S&P 500 right now, we're pushing through 4,100 and targeting 4,000. If you look at all previous analyses, we see that this was kind of this is what we're looking for. We can see this arrow has been there for a few days now, and so the next resting point, the next floor where the order block is here at 4,000, and we're heading towards that. So resumption possibly of bearish downtrend for the next month. I'm expecting some kind of selling. Again, my overall view of the US market is bearish. And we seem to be resuming that kind of action at the moment. What we're looking for is that break of structure. And so yesterday we put in this sliding support here, this bullish support trend line, and we've just broken structure there. And so if it breaks below 4,000 and holds, we are definitely looking at downside action, at least for the next month or so. And then we can just make sure that we are cognizant of that when we're taking trades, and understanding that if we buy, we're at more risk than if we sell. Okay, let's look at the Dow Jones Index. Again, on the Dow Jones Index, we're having a break outside of this bearish flag that we've been looking at for the past nearly 3 months. It's been forming. We've been in that tight range, so it looks like we're going to get some direction right now. We're breaking down through 33,500, okay, and targeting 33,000 here. At this level, 33,000. It's the next zone, and it's going to be interesting to see what's happening, because I did take a quick squiz at what was happening earlier, and we can see that price broke to the downside through the London session, Asia session. So that is, action, a bearish action happening outside of the trading, US trading hours. Now, if we look at what I want to see here, what I want to see for bearish action is a breakdown through 32,800 here, and something like this. And if we get that, that's a break of structure. Okay, we are kind of going into a break of structure right now. I definitely just would be wary of buying. I wouldn't do any buying at the moment today, and wait for price to get down to this area here at 3,300. Okay, so that's the area we're looking for. We'll see how price interacts in that zone. Going down to the 4 hour, okay, we can see we're talking about this the past few days. We're either going to get a kick out of 33,500 back up to supply here at 34,500, or a breakdown through demand at 33,500, targeting 33,000 here. So this demand zone here has been holding very strongly since the 23rd of January, and we're holding in this area right now. We can see that it's starting to waterfall collapse down to 33,000 here, and so targeting 33,000 at the moment, and that's where we're looking at. We'll see how strongly this is going to fall through down here at the moment, but definitely don't buy this at the moment. It's falling like a knife edge, and if we break beneath 33,000 here, we will be in bearish action, and I see that kind of continuation to the downside of 30,000 happening over the next month or so. Looking here at the hourly, we can see that there's a very clear break of structure and a break of demand at 33,500. Okay, targeting 33,300 here, and now going down to 33,000. So this is the thing that was in from yesterday, this bearish candle, and we see this action kind of occurring right now. So clear break at this demand zone. There are no orders left here. There's no buying interest left here, and we're going to work this zone down here. So anything that pulls back up and you can sell in the river, go for that right now, definitely today. Okay, 1 minute time frame, here we go. Looking at yesterday, okay, market was closed, stock market was closed for the whole session. We had nothing really happen at all. It looked like Asia, and then we had quite a lot of action come back into the market during the UK session, and a strong downtrend. Okay, we've come up at the index open, we've grabbed supply liquidity here, licked it, haven't even reached the top of the river, and then we're smashing to the downside. This is a very bearish move, and I would not be buying anything today. Anything that comes back up to this area here, you could sell. Okay, so anything that looks like this is sellable. okay? And you can extend your take profit a little bit as well, because that is definitely going to be something that will come back up and then swing back down. But at the moment, do I think that it's actually going to reach back to the top of the river band? I doubt it. This is a very strong push to the downside, and we can see from the trajectory and the angle that we've got a very strong downward action at the moment. So today, only selling, no buying. Let's see what happens, okay? If you get a pullback to the median or anything, I'll let you make your own mind up there. Just flow with the market, okay? Make sure that you're on sell side today, no buying today. Where do we have next demand zones, areas where you can stop? I would just keep an eye on 33,300 and 33,000, okay? So 33,000 is all the way down here, but 33,300 is, we're already kind of there at the moment. But just watch it, and yeah, just any pullbacks, okay? Any pullbacks, right, up to this area of supply, round near the top of the riverbank here, sell it, okay? Sell it, extend your take profit, start scaling in, wait for the pullback. The kind of action you're going to see is a pullback up here and then a crash back down. That's where you're going to make your money today. Have a great day trading, and see you tomorrow.